Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Udaan scheme. Why in news? The government plans to launch a modified Udaan, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagarik scheme to expand regional connectivity over the next decade. This modified initiative aims to link 120 new destinations and facilitate travel for 4 crore additional passengers within 10 years as announced by Finance Minister in the budget speech. The scheme will also support helipads and smaller airports in hilly, aspirational and northeastern districts. About Udaan scheme. Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagarik was launched as a regional connectivity scheme under the Ministry of Civil Aviation in 2016. The scheme connects remote areas, promoting tourism and economic growth. Since its launch, the scheme has facilitated 1.4 crore passengers and established 619 routes connecting 88 airports, 2 water aerodomes and 13 heliports across India. The scheme focuses on improving unserved air routes in undeserved regions of the country and fulfilling the aspirations of the common citizens. The first RCS Udaan flight was inaugurated by the Prime Minister in 2017, connecting Shimla to Delhi. Versions of Udaan. Udaan 1.0 awarded 128 flight routes to connect 70 airports, 36 newly operational. Udaan 2.0 inclusion of helipads for the first time. Udaan 3.0 introduced seaplanes for water aerodomes, enhancing connectivity in the northeast region. Udaan 4.0 focused on northeastern regions, hilly states and islands, facilitating operations for helicopters and seaplanes. Udaan 5.0 prioritizes Category 2 and Category 3 aircraft. Udaan 5.1 boosts helicopter routes by increasing funding, lowering airfare caps and requiring one destination to be a priority area. Udaan 5.2 enhancing last mile connectivity with small aircraft, boosting tourism in remote areas. Udaan 5.3 and 5.4 to operationalize previously discontinued routes, further enhancing point-to-point air connectivity. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its ambitious goals, the Udaan scheme has faced several challenges. Infrastructure issues. Many regional airports lack adequate infrastructure to handle increased traffic effectively. Competition from major airlines. Larger airlines often dominate routes, making it difficult for smaller regional carriers to compete. Implementation delays. Slow progress in operationalizing new routes has been a consistent issue since the scheme's inception. Conclusion. The Udaan scheme represents a transformative step in India's aviation landscape by aiming to democratize air travel and stimulate economic growth in underserved regions. The government's commitment to extending the scheme indicates a recognition of its importance in fostering inclusive growth across the country. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Udaan scheme. Udaan was launched as a regional connectivity scheme under the Ministry of Civil Aviation in 2018. The first RCS Udaan flight was inaugurated by the Prime Minister, connecting Shimla to Delhi. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only? 2 only? Both 1 and 2? Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.